Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious recipe for barbacoa. This is very versatile meat, you can use it for anything. So let's get started. I'm going to start off by searing the roast. I want to do this for a few minutes on each side, just so I could go ahead and lock in that flavor of the meat. While this is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and get started with the rest of the ingredients. I'll be using some hatch chilies. If you can't find these, you can use green chilies in a can. Have apple cider vinegar, beef bouillon, and some lemon juice. I'm adding some water and spices. And as always, everything will be listed down below for you. I'm using this can of chilies. I'm only using about 4 of them. I took out the seeds already, so they're not too spicy. And I'm also going to be adding some garlic. Now I'm going to blend this in the blender for a few minutes. Once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and pour it on top of the roast. I also have 1 onion that I'm going to dice up and add it to my pot as well. I'm adding 2 bay leaves. I'm going to go ahead and cover this up for 3 hours on low. Alright, now it's time to check on the roast. And it is ready. I'm just going to break it apart with the tongs. See how it's just falling apart? Today I'll just make a simple torta with it, but this meat is very versatile. You can make a lot of things with it, or just have it by itself with some rice and beans. Alright, now it's time to plate. I'm just going to make a quick torta with it. So I'm going to go ahead and add some beans. I'm going to go ahead and add the barbacoa. Add a little onion and some cilantro, and that is it. Something simple and quick. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe or hit the like button. Thank you and have a wonderful day.